Hello, lovely people. So today in this video, we are making a program where you guys can enter any word, where user can enter any word, and it will give us the synonym, antonym, examples, part of speech, and meanings of that word. Okay. So let's just run this program first to see what this program does. Okay, so we have to enter a word. We can enter any word. So let's suppose I am entering apple. Yeah, so let's see what output it is giving. Yeah, you can see that the word apple, the meaning is it is a common round fruit produced by the tree. Any of various tree-borne fruit, vegetable, fruit of the tree of knowledge. You can see that it is giving the full description about the word apple. Okay, so let's try some another word. Let's run it again. And suppose I'm writing bottle. So yeah, it is saying it is a container typically made of glass or plastic and having a tapered neck, used primarily for holding liquids. Example is beer is often sold in bottles. So yeah, you can see that it is user can usually it will ask to enter a word, and user needs to enter a word, and then it will going to give us a definition, pronunciation, uh, examples, synonyms, and antonyms about the entire word. So for this program, I am using a dictionary API key. This is a free trial key which has some limitation, and for this, if you want to use this program extensively, then you have to register for this API key, and then you can use it for a long time, and how much time you want to use it. And one more thing, this dictionary API key has some certain words. They might not have some words which you will enter. So it is not necessary that it will give you the results every time, whatever the word you're gonna enter. So it has some limitations. Let's say I'm writing mobile. Yeah, so it is saying it is a kinetic structure of decorative arrangement made of items hanging so that they can move independently from each other. It is a mobile home being moved, especially on wheels, something that can move. Yeah, you can see that it is giving us the meaning of that word which is present in this dictionary API key. And there is one Python library which you have to install it for before using this program, that is request using pip. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.